Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable button sounds over on the Video Star app. So basically when you click on buttons within the Video Star app, it will just make this interesting or irritating sound effect basically, and if you want to disable that, then here's how you can do that. So open the Video Star app just like this, and then once you're at the home screen, head over to the bottom left corner of your screen at that settings icon, and then what you need to do is right here you will be able to find a sound effects volume right here, and to disable it, just set it all the way to the left, just like that, and then you will not get any sound effects. So yeah, that's all you need to do. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.